Hey YouTube, welcome to the lounge, the Art Word Lounge with me, Amanya. Today I have a poem by legendary feminist, power to the people, the one and only Nikki Giovanni. We're going to be reading one of her poems today, and it's called Cotton Candy on a Rainy Day. It's a deep piece. Anyway, I'd like to share that piece coming up in the video. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for visiting my shops, Etsy, Zazzle, theartwordboutique.com. And thank you for leaving comments and, helping me out on this journey, trying to make my YouTube channel power. Alright, so thanks again for joining me here in the Art Word Lounge. Enjoy the video. Nikki Giovanni's Cotton Candy on a Rainy Day. Don't look now. I'm fading away into the gray of my mornings or the blues of my everyday. It is that my nails kept breaking, or maybe the corn on my second little piggy. Things keep popping out on my face or out of my life. It seems no matter how I try, I become more difficult to hold. I am not an easy woman to want. They asked psychiatrists, psychologists, social worker, and politicians what this decade will be known for. There is no doubt it is loneliness. If loneliness were a grape, the wine would be vintage. If it were wood, the furniture would be mahogany. But since it is life, cotton candy on a rainy day, the sweet, soft essence of possibility, never quite maturing. I have prided myself on being in that great tradition, albeit circus, that the show must go on. Though in my community, the vernacular is one monkey does not stop the show. We will all line up at some midway point to thread our way through the bedroom and futility, looking for the blue ribbon and gold medal. Mostly these are seen as food labels. We are consumed by people who sing the same old song. Stay as sweet as you are in the corner. Stay as sweet as you are in my corner. Just a little longer. And don't change, baby. Don't change. Or perhaps, but whatever you do, do change. Everything needs to change. Everything some say will change. I need a change of peace, of face, of attitude in life. Though I long for loneliness, I know I need something or someone, or I strangle my words as easily as I do my tears. I stifle my screams as frequently as I flash a smile. It means nothing. I am cotton candy on a rainy day, the unrealized dream of ideas unborn. I share with the painters the desire to put a three-dimensional picture on a one-dimensional surface. That's it. Nikki Giovanni's cotton candy on a rainy day. I don't know, it took me through a couple of twists and turns. I was following her, but I'm still lost towards the end of it. She says, I share with the painters the desire to put a three-dimensional picture on a one-dimensional surface. So I'm guessing she's saying there's different sides to her. There's so many different dimensions, different sides. But somehow she's been put in this one dimensional flat platform. There's so many ways to her, so many sides to her, but yet she is in one dimensional, but with many sides. I think I've said that over and over again, so I think you understand. I think I understand that. So I guess that goes for a lot of us. People don't really know who we are or what we are, but they just see us. They don't know all the different levels that it takes to be the person that we are. So I guess I understand the ending, but I feel like we went through a roller coaster just to end up there. Again, it says, I share with the painters the desire to put a three-dimensional picture on a one-dimensional surface. The painters. I guess that's the readers. That's us. That's me. Or maybe the people who watches her. The society. Society's the painters. Society is the painters. Put a three-dimensional picture. She's so full of different possibilities. But she begs the society, the people, the audience, but they only see her in one-dimensional form. It's kind of deep then, I guess, if you think about it. But anyway, that's my thoughts on Cotton Candy, Miss Nikki Giovanni. Anyway, thank you for joining me in the Art Word Lounge, and